Hello everyone, good afternoon. We are from PBL strip MK strip 232 strip 36. Here we will explain about our projects.
Hello, we from the PBL MK 232-36 team, Integrated Sorting System, Fusion, Transfer Mechanism, and HMI, will present the result of the project we have completed. And firstly, I will explain the rule and job description of our project.
My name is Juan Mir Panjaitan. I'm from Mechatronica B9. I will explain you about what is sorting system. Sorting system is one process to assembly and to sorting the object to put box and to reject box. The next, I will explain you about object requirement and specification. In our project, we are using mechanical part. I will tell you about the mechanical part. We are using conveyor and actuator. So the actuator, we are using 3 cylinder. For the first cylinder, we are using to grip the object and then to transfer the object from conveyor 1 to conveyor 2. And then the third cylinder to put the object to reject box. For the next, I will tell you about camera for FG detector. So the camera we are using as a sensor to detect reject object and good object. So if camera detect reject object, the mechanical part, the cylinder, will put the object to reject box. But if camera detect the good object, so the cylinder will detect the object and put to conveyor. So the last HMI and integrator. In HMI we are using Microsoft Visual Studio and ESP32 to create the HMI. We are using HMI to monitoring the machine, and then we can control from HMI, and we can see the good object and reject object from HMI. Okay, for the next I will tell about detail design. For the table 1, there is sensor 1 to detect object, and then there is a conveyor 1, and then the camera webcam is for vision, and the last at the table there is a sensor 3, and then between the table 1 and table 2 there is a mechanical part. There is a gripper to transfer and grip the object, and then at the table 2 there is a sensor 4 to detect the good object, and if the good object detect, the conveyor 2 will be on. And then for the last part at the table 2 is a sensor 5. The sensor 5 has a function to detect the object, the good object, and if the good object detect, so the conveyor 2 will be stopped. Okay, for the last I will explain about the project method. Okay, for the first start, and then the sensor 1, and then we put the object to conveyor, and the sensor 1 will be detect the object, and there is a delay for 2000 milliseconds, and then the conveyor 1 will be on after the object already sensor 2. So the sensor 2 will detect the object, and then the conveyor 1 will be stopped, and the vision will detect the object. The vision will detect the object. If the the object to reject box. But if the vision detect the object as a good object, so the gripper will be on, and then the cylinder X will be turned back, and for the next, the gripper will be open, so the sensor tree will detect the object. If the sensor tree detect the object, so the conveyor 2 will be on and make the object go to the sensor 4, and then sensor 4 detect the object, so the conveyor will be stopped and the box, and then the object will be go to good box.
For the timeline, initiation, job desk distribution, study literature, determine the objective, tool and material preparation, planning and design, create schedule and timeline, develop budget, electrical schematic design, mechanical design overall, mechanical design for part modification, and for execution, check every function of all equipment, make plan, drilling the specific point, installing omega rail and wiring duct, wiring power and control, wiring pneumatic, make finish good and reject containers, documenter and reporting, modification bracket gripper, modification gripper, make workpiece with 3D printing, programming to ESP32, make GUI program, testing and troubleshooting, and evaluation, monitor project progress, and evaluate progress.
Diagram. We need a webcam, PC, or sensor, 6 to conveyor motor, and ESP32. Here the webcam as a vision sensor is connected to the PC using the Visual Studio application as a color filter. Visual Studio is also connected to the Arduino with the same board rail. After that, ESP32 is also connected to the PC via a USB cable. To program ESP32, we need the Arduino IDE application. ESP32 input is obtained by a sensor, the sensor from conveyor 1 and two other sensor by conveyor 2. Arduino output also consists of 6 solenoids that will move the double acting cylinder and gripper, and two other output from conveyor motor.
Next, I will explain about ESP32 microcontroller programming. This is the initialization of input and output pin. We make input with input pull down, and then there is looping program. In the main program summarize, we can see in the PowerPoint there are 5 steps. First is step 1, conveyor on, and then go to step 2, conveyor 1 off, start timer for read data, stop timer read data after 5 seconds. And then in step 3, if the vision read true, then run the cycle good. If the vision read false, run the false cycle, reject cycle, and then direct to finish. And then in the step 4, conveyor 2 on, in the step 5, conveyor 2 off, and finish cycles. And then this is the HMI design. We can see there are camera, configure, control, and count. Next, I will explain about HMI details. Here we use library for filtering image is aforge.imaging, aforge.imaging.filters, aforge.video. This is the step for using HMI. First, select the camera, then select the serial port, then press start button, camera start running, and then choose the color, red or blue. And then the result of HMI and communication to controller. If blue button pressed, when the object is blue, the UI sends string 1 to ESP32. If the object is not blue, the HMI sends string 0 to ESP32. If the red button pressed, and then when the object is red, the HMI sends string 2 to ESP32. And then if the object is not red, the HMI sends string 0 to ESP32.